Hello guys, it's Creative Conquest and today I will be telling you about HTML and CSS templates. So for using the templates, you first need to download this Visual Studio Code. I will be giving the link in the description. Then you need to open Google Chrome and open the site. I give the link in the description. Like this one. I will be giving the link in the description. Here you can download any theme you want. There are many themes here. Like I select this one, Onyx Digital Template. Scroll down until you see this download button. Click on it. Wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, open the zip file and drag it to your desktop. Then open up Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio Code is open, you need to go to Add Folder. Click on Add Folder, go to Desktop and add the Onyx Digital folder. Open the folder, click on index.html and then you can edit all text which are in white color, like this one. This is the title. Like I click this and edit to example.com, and all the other text, like this is the menu, this is the heading, Onyx Digital. I will change this to element, and under it is the heading or the punchline. Like I change this to example, and this is the paragraph. I change it to lorem ipsum, and these are all the text. You can edit it, you can edit all of them, and just hit Ctrl S to save it and then minimize it. Go to the folder, the Onyx Digital folder, open the index file, wait for it to load. This is the beautiful loading screen. It is a very beautiful loading screen, and this is the main. We edited the lorem ipsum, example, your website. This is a scroll, or you can simply just click on numbers. This is a full website for free. You can remove any element if you want. This is the subscribe form. This is the form, contact form. This is the map. You can edit them all. This is the portfolio. This will scroll down to the portfolio. So you can download any template from here. Very beautiful templates. So this was my today's video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.